Laban Bengalee Boys High Secondary School Yora first position top 10 Jombaro Art League Streams kata Science but Commerce jing yakun exam HSSLC bala penilai dak ambos kena risap purkayasta ulayo saupu kena risap purkayasta ulayo saus pak profesama Commerce but kena arnab dutta ulayo ra saus pak Proply total marks. Kania result kalapuan ra ya kajing sngau sarong haki Nonghikai jong katai ke school kibadang yarisa ra kajing keman.
Yes,
see how much they love the school. Results declared, so they are here.
How do you feel for the result?
Very shocked actually.
Did you expect the result?
Actually, always expect nothing but the best from you, but getting the first position, I really did not expect it. I knew that. So you always expect the best from you, but I really never expected to get the first position. I knew that I'll be getting a position, but the first position was really a surprise for me.
How well did you prepare for this?
For the
how was your preparation?
I would say that consistency is important. Throughout the year, I maintained that consistency, and when the last 3 months, as far as the last 3 months were concerned, that was the time when I just really pulled up my socks, and that's how I did it. So I feel consistency is important. Like if you work hard throughout the year, then you'll just get through.
How many years have you studied here in Bengalee Boys?
This was my 8th year in the school.
Since class?
5.
Since
right
class
from 2015, I've been a part of Laban Bengalee Boys.
So how was it growing up? How was your education?
Actually, I have learned everything from here. I am not a student who has been the topper right from class 5 or 6. So I would just struggle to I would just struggle to get into 90s or somewhere 60s also. So actually, they are the ones who have brought me to this level actually. So I was groomed here. I was taught everything here only. So yeah, I just owe everything to them.
What is when you will join? Do you have any option you want to go?
Actually, now I'll be looking whatever offers I get. So I'll just pick the best from there, whatever I get.
What's your aim in life? Like, what do you want to do?
Aim in life, actually, it's not consistent. Sometimes I want to be a marine engineer, and then suddenly I see people doing well in the banking sector. Then I just want to go to the banking sector. So there's a lot of confusion about that.
What is your good name?
Arnab Datta.
How many hours per day you study?
What's your time management on it?
Time management, I would say that when everything everything, schools, tuitions, everything, they go in full-fledgedly. So at that time, I prioritized finishing up things, whatever was done here. Like I went parallel with the school, and whenever I used to get some time, I used to revise everything up. Like on weekends. Throughout the week, I just went parallel with whatever was done in the school or tuitions, and then on Saturdays and Sundays, I just revised them up. And during the last 3 months, I left social media. I did not watch television. So last 3 months, you could say that it was really...
So how was your result on class 10? Was it the same?
No, actually, in 10th I got 89.66%, and I missed the rank by, I don't remember the exact number, but it was not so less margin also. So that was the time when I decided, no, now in class 12 I have to get a rank.
What is something that you did different this time that makes you top?
This time, actually, I used to think that toppers are extraordinary. They study for 24 hours a day, and that thing, all those things. But now I learned that consistency was important. So consistency was something that I maintained this year in class 12. This time I maintained consistency, and I feel that that's the main reason why I got the first.